Vilana Design for Spellbinders, and welcome to my channel. Today we are playing with BetterPress Club of the Month for the month of June from Spellbinders, and look how cool this die looks. Today I'm making it another Slimline card, and this is called my Slimline Heaven. If you haven't seen the previous two videos, I'm gonna point them right there so you can check them out. Those are two different videos that include very nice interactive cards, and this time in this month I decided to focus on slimline cards. I think that's a little bit refreshing and just wanted to make something different. Today again we are using this fabulous BetterPress Plate of the month for the month of June, and let me show you what I have up my sleeve this time. So unfortunately I lost part of my footage here, and all I did is actually just stamp the same image on my card here. Now as you can see, it didn't line up perfectly, but it still looked pretty cool. I used Cosmic Sky to stamp this on this fabulous cardstock from Spellbinders. This is a cotton cardstock meant for BetterPress, and I also die cut this circle before I inked up the panel, and I'm going just gently to apply that color in a circular motion and very light-handed. I don't want this to be a too dark. I just want to make a nice and soft background for my shaker element. Next, I'm going to use a little bit of yellow. This color is called Lemon Drop. And again, in a very gentle circular motion, I'm gonna add this color. And lastly, I'm going with the blue. This color is called Splash, and this color is going to tie everything nice. Now let's turn this background into a shaker. Now this part is what's going to be so fun, and I enjoyed actually doing this very much. What I ended up doing is grabbing my hot gun and attaching the real starfish and the real shells onto this little tiny circle that I just colored. The heat gun will not damage your shellfish. It'll turn out just fine. And the good thing about this is that your little shellfish will not move anywhere. And look how cute that looks. I absolutely love it. Next, I just simply glued my panel directly on my card base, and then I glued that cute little panel with shellfish directly on the card. Next, I'm going to peel off the protective film from this plastic dome and attach it to my card. Now this is when I realized that I should have put this dome on first and then put the panel over it, but I could not have done anything at this point because everything was already glued and attached. But I really like the shaker at this point. I decided to just create a circle frame that is going to go around my dome, and that actually saved the card. And look at this frame around that circle. It looks just absolutely perfect. I think that it puts even more emphasis onto that beautiful shaker element. And I just simply used some liquid adhesive and attached it directly to the card. And it looks absolutely beautiful. Next, it is time to create a sentiment. I'm using a sentiment from the set, and it says, casting a warm hello your way. And one more time, I am using the same
cotton cardstock from Spellbinders, and I'm going to use the same ink to ink up the plate and put it through the die cutting machine. And let's check it out. Look how cool it looks. That is one perfect sentiment. One last thing that it's left to do here is to now die cut this sentiment. I'm using the coordinating die here that was provided in the set. I'm going to use a little bit of foam adhesive to attach this sentiment like so. And that's it. Look how cool that looks.
And that is it for today. I love how this cool card turned out. It's a shaker card and there's a lot of beautiful details in there. Look how cool that is. Love it. Beautiful, warm, and such a cool design. I hope you like this, and I hope this inspires you to create something similar. If you have any questions regarding this video, feel free to leave a comment down below. I'm always happy to interact with my viewers. Big thanks goes to Spellbinders for sending me such phenomenal stuff to play with every month. That being said, please click on my affiliate links down below. You don't have to purchase anything if you don't want to, but this will let Spellbinders that I sent you, at least there's some activity. That would help me tremendously. And again, thank you so much for being here. Thank you for making my day, commenting, sharing, liking, and please subscribe if you haven't already. And I will see you soon with something new.